Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook page quality violation. To know how to fix or how to solve a Facebook page quality violation problem, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will go to click to find the application of Facebook here, and you will enter. Sorry for that. You will go to Facebook. Then in this page you will click for stop. After that you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data, and when you will end this you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.